Yeah, what's up guys? I know the lighting's bad, but we're gonna be doing some fireworks for Diwali. Shit, you did it already?
Oh man, that barely even worked.
Oh, we got some things, lights, light it up for Diwali. Oh, he did this one. This one.
Oh yo, I got a bigger one. Bigger matches.
It's cold out, dude.
I know, that's a good point.
Yo, guys.
You got bigger ones? That was a later.
Yeah, so guys, basically Diwali, y'all know what it is. Festival of lights. We got some dive. Dive are like they're like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a candle.
This one didn't even work, yo.
Alright, we're about to light it. He knows how to do it. I don't do the one where you hold it.
Oh, those are not even that good.
Those are so good. Hey, this kid's like 11. What's he doing?
Oh, it's not gonna do as well.
Bad guy.
I didn't even do good, man.
Whack.
He's an ass.
Yo, do you want to do the other ones? The rockets or the shoo ones? I want to do the shoo ones. Yeah.
The Indian people calling me. Go get them then.
Where are they at? You gonna do another one?
This is gonna be a good one. Maybe.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that was lit. Yo, can you get the... Oh, get the... Where are the...
Jumping jacks. Jumping, but I don't.
Yeah. Yo, where are the shirleys, man? I want
Yeah,
to do
they're
it.
over there, man.
Where? Oh, right here. I want to do these ones. I want to do these ones. I want to do these ones. Oh my god. Yeah, they are gonna.
Get the big one.
Yeah, I want to do these. Got something. Hold up. Oh yeah, we're gonna do those ones now. Excuse me. You want to do the ones that the bomb ones too? It's like a bomb. That's like it's a Tasmanian devil.
I know the Tasmanian devil bar.
Wait, can you light this one for me?
That's so easy.
How do you get the garden? How do you do it? Hold it like that. Do it outside though. Oh, you guys are lighting it. You should go outside and do it. Are you gonna do those? And we could do the other ones later. The pew, pew.
I got holes.
Oh,
That was not even that good.
yo, these ones are my favorite. Look at that. How? Well, I'm gonna spell my name. Never mind, I'm not. These ones are my... So cold, dude. Oh, the lights are out. Yo, when did these come out?
Oh, I can kill the ball.
Yo, why do I let go of this?
And then it's that.
You just like, it stops by itself?
Throw at the ball. Throw at the ball.
Wait, how come I sit down? When do I throw this? Bro, this one's my favorite. But I'll be right back when we like do a better one. This one's like... Yo, you gotta stop doing that because I'm trying to do this. What are you doing? He's doing...
Get water real quick. I'm gonna brand this.
Yo, that's my basketball. That's dangerous. Bruh.
What all do you want from me?
We about to do the big ones. I call the candle a firework because I'm dumb. But bro, we got some. This.
Light. We'll put the light on in the house.
Oh, you mean the out? Yeah.
Where is that?
I think it's we got it. Let's
We gotta
go.
replace these. They're not even that bright.
Yeah. Yo, it's so dark. We can't even. Why are you doing it? It's so dark, guys.
I need your phone light.
Alright.
My life.
Oh shh. Oh shh.
Wow.
That was so.
Yo, I put two at the same time.
Yo.
Two at the same time.
Hell. Huh?
That dog hurt me.
Yeah, Jalalo, you. Yeah, do it. It's gonna be so cool. Yeah, I wanna go on the trampoline and just.
Wet.
I know it's wet. Do it from that so I can try to get up on the sky. What the? Dude.
Is that it?
Oh shit! Oh. Oh my god, he's doing it again, guys.
I'm out, bitch.
Yeah. Oh, that's like loud shit.
I know that's loud now.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna do one last one.
Alright, he's doing one last one, guys, and then we're gonna peace. But I hope you guys enjoyed your Diwali. If you celebrate it, if not, I still hope you guys enjoyed your day. But as you can see, it's late. People are doing fireworks around. Yeah?
I'm not gonna put someone in the ground and put on the road and see what happens like lying down.
Alright, should I come closer? Alright, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe. Follow my TikTok, it's in the description. Yeah. That's all I got to say. Oh, should we run?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Whoa! Holy fucking Jesus fucking. Oh my god. That skinned my foot. Oh, bro, that skinned.
Right next to me here.
That skinned my foot. I felt a spark on my foot. Hell no. We ain't doing that
This
again.
is the one we're pointing there that way.
Bro. What the fuck? Yo guys, we were doing fireworks. And one firework like fell off and just skinned my foot, like skimmed it like a little. That was so fucking scary, but like. I'm gonna back off because of the last one skinned my foot.
Look, I got rockets.
Oh, let's do those.
Daddy,
Yeah, let's made it bad. They like it like hit my foot. That was so scary. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh.
That's the actual one.
Oh. Oh. You do the rockets. I want to do the rockets. Do the rock.
What the fuck are these?
I don't know. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh, yes. It smells. Oh. Oh shoot. Oh, that's lit.
Last one kind of sucks. Not gonna lie.
A lot of smoke coming in. Yo, do the rockets. Let's do the rockets. Rocket वाले करिए. Let's do the rocket ones. Yo, Tiber, try doing the rocket ones. Bruh, I'm gonna stay back because last time one of the fireworks skinned my foot and ankle. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna stay far away. He go. I don't even know. He's about to. Back off, back off, back up, back up, back up. Oh, that was sick. The rockets. Yeah, let's try the bottled rockets. Let's try those ones. Let's do the Dodge beer. Want to try the bottle one? The bottle rockets?
The same thing, but okay.
Oh, never mind. Oh, they must be a little different.
Yeah, that's what they call bottle rockets. We might rip this off.
Yeah, but that was scary. At least my foot's okay.
We got these from our store, by the way. We made pretty good money today.
I was like a lot of sales, so.
How much did we make?
Yeah. But basically, guys, bro, that was still scary to me because
Can you come with me? Because I need to do some fucking carry those doctor.
skimmed my freaking.
Hey, yo, can you carry those?
It's skimmed. Which ones do you want me to carry? Alright, wants me to carry it. It's dark out, so I apologize. Even though it's really dark out, there's no good lighting. Here. I'm dipping. Cause last time. Oh, get there, each other. Yeah. Bye. Nay. Oh my god. Mackin. Oh, he's lighting it. Dude. I don't want to get close because I'm scared. Guys, that's the last of fireworks because it's cold outside. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, what the? Yeah, that's my brother doing some fireworks, but it's cold out and yeah. But always stay safe with fireworks. You guys don't want to end up like what happened to me, where the firework, like the spark skimmed. It like skimmed my foot, so that was scary. Peace out, guys. Subscribe. Follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. All of it's in the description. Peace. No, we already did the outro, but we're gonna do one more. Doubles.
Man, I work.
They're like big. Yeah, Alright, now the video is ended. But so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, follow my TikTok, follow my Instagram, my Twitter, add me on Snapchat. It's all in the description. And be safe with fireworks because I was too close to the firework and it skimmed my foot, like I said before. But I'm okay. But yeah, I didn't really hurt. It kind of pinched. It was a little scary though. But make sure to be careful. Yeah, peace.